I was looking for something. It was a connector. I don't think it had anything to do with this. These look kind of silly on there, but they work. Uh, this is going to be going over there in a minute. I just got to get the broom and kind of sweep up a little bit of a mess around there. But I was looking for a connector, and now I don't even remember the connector I was looking for. So I guess I'm just going to have to look. Oh, those are for hard drives. No. No. Alright. Oh, what the hell am I doing with this in here? This belongs in the safe. Alright, let's see. I need a connector. I don't remember. If I see it, I'll remember it. BNCs, BNC SO239s, more BNCs, BNC elbows, or 90s, or lefts, or rights, whatever you want to call them. BNC to the old stereo Motorola plug for your car, you know, when you plug the antenna in. BNCPs. Those are momentary switches. Some are push buttons, some are just switch style. Those are fuses for the Fluke. These look like F connectors of some. Yeah, maybe they have. But what is this doing in there? That doesn't ring a bell. That I don't think should be in there. Alright, anyway, I think it has its own draw. These are BNCs to some type of a Motorola. More BNCs to whatever. F, maybe. Those are SO239 BNCs. These are, what do you call them now? Oh shit, why can't I remember the name of these things? When you're making yeah, I can't remember what you make with them. Yeah. Anyway, 4-pin. This could be used for power or mic. There's 2 of those in there. This is a 4-pin. This is more or less made for, you know, outdoor stuff. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. More power than it is microphone. 9-volt battery stuff. And connectors, and connectors. These, I believe, are 10 ohm, 100 watt. I think, because if I remember right, I think I made a 100-watt dummy load with them. I don't remember. Yeah, I think that's what they are. Here's another outdoor power 4-pin. That's a 5-pin, actually. There's a 2-pin outdoor power circuit board. Come on, 9-volt. What the hell is that board for? I wrote on it, so I must have. Input 12. Output. I guess it's a step up. Alright. And I wrote on that one too. I don't know what that one is. Meanwhile, I'm looking for a connector. Wait a minute. No, those are little computer jumpers. And what the hell is that? A little bit of voltage regulator? Or a little regulator of sort? I couldn't even tell you. I'd have to put a power to it. More in connector stuff. Different adapters for power. Speakers. They could be used for power too, but speakers, microphone stuff and stuff. This, I believe, is a timer. No? Yeah, these are timers. Don't know. Yeah, I buy these things, microphones. See, that other thing, I think I should be... I thought I had, these are remotes on off for 12 volt. Low amperage though, I think they're maybe 10 or 15 amp. That's gotta be a timer. And I have no idea what those relays are for. I don't know what that other one was doing in that one. And I can't seem to find the one. What the hell was it that I was looking for? Those are alligator and crocodiles. SMA connectors of all different types and styles. These are power plugs, if you can see them in there, male and female. Some have cordage on them, some don't. banana plugs, empty, 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 and I can't find the rest of those are all nuts and bolts, I believe. Yeah, and I can't remember what the hell I was looking for. It would make it a lot easier. See, I'm looking to see if I can remember. You follow me? Let's look down here. Okay, what do we got in here? Batteries. And these are the little inserts to hold the batteries. 4, 5, and 8 pin male, female mic plugs. 90s or lefts and right on the PL259s. Barrel connectors. Chassis mount SO239s. This is the opposite of a barrel. This is a double male, a double PL259 or whatever. 175 reducers, 176 reducers. Antenna mounts. Those are just sleeves for a PL259. There's a 90 SO239 for an antenna of some sort. That's basically one of these things, but it's made to go on a 90. These are just 3/8 24. These are PL259 to the old Motorola, you know, like the old car antennas. Those are T connectors. This is an antenna mount. Remember I told you about that shitty antenna that's on the roof that they wanted a lot of money for? And it didn't come with any type of hardware or mounting or anything. All it did was come with this at the bottom of it, which was a piece of shit because it was all plastic and it was going to crack in the wintertime. Well, it didn't even make it through and it started to crack. I don't know if you can see the crack on that or not. Now that antenna that this was sitting on was expensive if I were to buy it. It was over $100. And to have this snap and it go flying down the road on you, bingo, it's gone. So they could have made one that was a lot better than that. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? Oh, okay, no, that's an antenna mount. Okay. I forgot I even had that in there. Maybe I'll put the... I should put that someplace else because I forgot that was in there. A few times I've actually looked for things like that. Okay. Alright, anyways. I can't find what the hell I was looking for. It's not there. What the hell was it? I can't remember. I just went through most of my junk. Oh, that's for the sign stuff. This I think is empty. Okay, those are just for the label machine. This one I think is... No, this one ain't empty either. This was a good flashlight. The only thing is the batteries get a little expensive and they wear out quick. So I says I'm done putting batteries in there. That's a button for an on-off. Hey, I know it is. When I get in the house and relax, I'm going to say, that's what I needed. And then I'm going to want to come out here and start looking for it again.